Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this LG 32GX870A-B 32-inch UltraGear 4K OLED gaming monitor, then please visit the link provided in the description. Let's talk about a screen that doesn't just look good on your desk but actually pushes modern gaming visuals into a different category. This display has a combination of clarity, color performance, and pure motion speed that feels a step ahead of regular monitors. As soon as the panel lights up, the OLED difference is obvious. Every pixel lights independently, giving you blacks that are truly black and contrast that hits your eyes with depth you don't get on LED screens. With a full 4K resolution stretched across 32 inches, you get crisp detail without needing scaling tricks. Small textures, edges, shadows, reflections. Everything pops with precision. It's the kind of clarity that makes both gaming and everyday content feel sharper and more well-defined. One of the standout features is its dual mode. Imagine switching from a 4K display meant for stunning visuals to a 1080p mode designed purely for speed and performance. That's exactly what this monitor offers. So if you're jumping between cinematic games and competitive shooters, you can instantly pick the mode that fits the moment. It feels like having two specialized displays built into one device. Speed is where this monitor really flexes. A 240Hz refresh rate with an insanely fast 0.03 milliseconds response time means movement is almost unbelievably clean. Fast camera pans don't smear. High-speed duels feel sharp. Even tracking enemies feels controlled and effortless. OLED already has low latency by design, but this takes it even further and makes motion feel almost weightless. The adaptive sync performance adds to that smoothness. Whether you're running an NVIDIA setup or AMD hardware, the monitor keeps everything synced using GSYNC and FreeSync Premium Pro. No screen tearing. No frame inconsistencies. Just a stable image no matter how chaotic the game gets. It's the type of smoothness that competitive players look for but rarely find in 4K displays. And then there's HDR. With True Black 400 certification, highlights look clean while shadows keep their fine detail. Darker scenes look deeper without crushing the subtle tones. HDR games and movies benefit the most. You see glowing lights, deeper blacks, and colors that feel more lifelike. OLED is known for its HDR strength, and this monitor doesn't disappoint. Connectivity is built for modern setups. USB Type-C support allows single-cable output for portable devices. DisplayPort 2.1 brings high bandwidth capability that helps push those high refresh rates at full resolution. HDMI support keeps consoles fully compatible. It's designed to fit both gaming rigs and productivity setups without limitations. The ergonomics also add to the overall package. You can adjust the height, tilt the screen, or swivel it depending on how you sit or how your desk is arranged. Everything feels stable and premium. The build quality has that signature LG UltraGear feel. Modern, clean, and sleek without unnecessary design elements. When you start gaming on it, the experience feels elevated. Open-world titles show off the deep contrast and rich colors. Competitive games benefit from the quick response time and ultra-fast refresh rate. Racing games, sports titles, fast action shooters, they all feel smoother and more responsive. Even simple tasks like browsing or reading text look cleaner thanks to OLED's sharpness. Content creators benefit too. Color accuracy is top-notch. Gradients look clean. Shadows and highlights stay consistent. If you edit photos, videos, or do graphic design, this panel helps you see the real tones without washed-out areas. LG also built in long-term protection features to keep the OLED panel healthy. Automatic pixel adjustments and maintenance cycles run in the background to reduce image retention and keep performance consistent. You don't need to think about it. The display quietly handles it for you. Overall, this monitor blends speed, clarity, and contrast in a way that feels premium across the board. It's powerful enough for pro gamers, beautiful enough for content lovers, and accurate enough for creative professionals. If you want a monitor that delivers across multiple categories without compromise, this one deserves serious attention. And if you're ready to get one, the link is in the description.